Good morning students. This is the second video on the chapter parallelogram. Today we are going to discuss some questions from your book. So look at the question number 10. So question number 10 is a multiple choice question. So by explaining this question, so we have to solve and find out the answers from these four options. So what is the answer? A is 45 degree, B is 30 degree, C is 36 and D is 37 degree. But the answer is given in your book, but we have to solve this problem and find out the answer. So look at the diagram and the question. The question says that if the quadrilateral ABCD, so in this question the figure is given, the name of the quadrilateral is ABCD. So it is given that it is a parallelogram. That means we have to follow the rules or properties of a parallelogram to solve this question. What is the value of x? So here look at this parallelogram. Out of these four angles, three angles are already given. We have to find out what the value of x. So what is the rule of parallelogram? One of the rule is that adjacent angles of a parallelogram, if it is a parallelogram, means opposite sides are parallel. Okay, opposite sides are parallel. So if it is a parallelogram, then the adjacent angles, sum of the two adjacent angles equal to 180 degree. So what is the adjacent angles here? One is 3y degree plus 2y minus 5 degree. So these are the sum of the two adjacent angles equal to how much? Equal to 180 degree. That is a property. So from this we have to simplify y. So how much is y? You have to find out. 3y plus 2y is 5y degree minus 5 degree equal to 180 degree, or 5y degree equal to 180 plus 5 equal to 185 degree. Okay, or 5y equal to 185 degree, and what is y? So y equal to 185 divided by 5, that is 5 3s are 15 and here 3 35, 35 7s are 35. So we have got the value of y as 37 degree. But in this question you have to find out x. So put the value of x. X is present in this degree, C degree. In the C angle, that is 3x plus 3. So here x is present. So by putting the value here, because 3x plus 3 and 3y both are equal. So what is the property? The property is opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Here also you can write the property. This property is adjacent angles property. Adjacent sum of adjacent angles equal to 180 degree. This is one property, and another property we will use here. What is this property? That is 3x plus 3 degree equal to 3y degree. So because why it is equal? The property is opposite angles of parallelogram. The opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So that's why 3x plus 3 and 3y both are equal. Or so solve this. We know the value of y here. So by putting the value of y here, we can solve it very easily. So 3x plus 3 equal to 3 into 37. Okay, 37. So 3 into 37 how much? 3 7s are 21, 1 here, 2 carry, 3 3s are 9 plus 2, 11. So 111 degree. Or 3x equal to 111 minus 3. So 111 minus 3 is 108 degree, or x equal to 108 degree upon 3. So that is 3 3s are 9. So 3 3s are 9 here, 10 minus 9 is 1, 1 and 8, 18. So 3 6 are 18. So how much you got the value of x? X equal to we got 36 degree, and that is the solution. Okay, so which option is correct here? A not correct, B not correct, C is the solution. So C is 36 degree. So the value of x we have got after solving this question 36 degree. Okay. Now look at question number 11. What it says? It says that what values of A would make the given quadrilateral a parallelogram. So we have to use here parallelogram properties and find out the value of what? Value of A. Okay. Look at here this figure. This figure shows name is not given. Suppose you give a name here, A B C D name is given, and here these are the diagonals. So which are diagonals? AC is a diagonal and DB is a diagonal. So what is the property of diagonal? It in a parallelogram it bisect each other. Okay, bisect each other means 5b minus 4 is equal to 3b plus 6 and 3b minus 4 is equal to 2a. So here the 2a is present in this diagonal, that is AC diagonal. But here in the DB diagonal all the quantity are in B. So if it's 5b minus 4 and 3b plus 6. First we have to solve this diagonal and find out the value of B. Okay, then put the value of B in this quantity, in this value 3b minus 4 term, then we will get the value of A. So let's start. So using the property of what? Because diagonals are bisecting each other, then 5b minus 4 is equal to 3b plus 6. Which property? Diagonals of parallelogram bisecting each other. Okay. So 5b and 3b both are like terms, make it one side. So using the rule of transpose, 5b minus 3b equal to 6 plus 4. Okay, or 5b minus 3b, how much? That is 2b. Okay, 5b minus 3b is 2b, 6 plus 4 is how much? That is 10. Or b equal to how much? 10 upon 2. So 10 upon 2 is equal to 5. So we have got the value of b as 5. Now put the value of this b here. These is a diagonal bisecting each other again. So right here again 3b another diagonal. Which diagonal? AC diagonal. Again 3b minus 4 equal to 2a. So that is also diagonal. So which property? Next same property, diagonals of parallelogram. Diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. That means both halves are equal. So 3b minus 4 equal to 2a. Both halves are equal. Or 3b. So we have got the value of b here 5. Put the value of b here. So that is 3 into 3b means 3 into 5 minus 4 equal to 2a. Or we can write 2a equal to 3 into 5 how much? 15. 15 minus 4 is, that is 11. Or a equal to 11 upon 2. So this is a improper fraction. Make it to mixed fraction. How we can convert? 2 5 ja 10, 10 plus 1, 11. So 5 whole 1 upon 2. So which is answer? It will be B. Okay, so answer B is correct, that is 5 whole 1 by 2, which is the solution of A. So A value is equal to 5 whole 1 by 2. So we have proved by solving this problem. Okay.